네. 먼저 인사. 네. 하나, 둘, 셋.
안녕하세요.
We are
Horizon.
Pero Pinoy po kami kaya 1, 2, 3.
Hello po.
We are
Horizon.
Hi guys, I'm Vinci. I'm the main vocalist and leader of Horizon.
Hi guys, my name is Jeremy. I'm the main dancer of Horizon.
Hello guys, my name is Marcus. I'm Horizon's partner. Hello everyone, my name is Tyler. I'm one of the vocalists. Hi everyone, my name is Richter. I'm the main rapper of the group.
Hello, my name is Ski.
Hi guys, my name is Winston, one of the vocalists.
It's so funny kasi kahapon we were invited to an event that celebrates P-pop. And today we are here celebrating K-pop with you guys! Because after all, if you don't know us, we are Horizon. We are an all-Filipino group who first debuted in South Korea and is also simultaneously promoting here in the Philippines. So thank you guys so much. It's so nice to see fans all over here. Di ba fans naman sila?
Yeah.
Like Carrots, Engines, Anchors! Parang pinauwi ata nila yung iba. But are you guys, yung mga hindi pa anchors, are you guys willing to be anchors today? Because there's something special about how our name is spelled, and it's not with a Z, it's with a 7! So we have a spelling game we would like to play with our anchors, and it goes like 이런 느낌 좀 girl, it's your lucky. Hey! What? Oh! Let's go! Lucky, 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 lucky. Let's go! Hey, lucky 7, let's go! Lucky, 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 lucky. Yes! Okay. And Marcus, do you want to say, you know, because this is going to be our last thing for 2024. So, ano gusto mong sabihin?
Yeah, guys, 2024 was such a huge success for not only for Horizon but also definitely for the P-pop community. It is so nice to see our community, our P-pop industry grow so big in just a span of a year. And there's so many new groups that have debuted dito sa Philippines. Kaya sobrang saya namin para doon. And of course, 2025 we'll wish for even more success, for Horizon success, for all the groups out there success. So yes, guys. Thank you and Happy New Year, guys. I love you.
Happy New Year, guys.
Okay, guys, before tayo mag-last music, let's take a picture muna. Yeah.
Picture.
Picture.